Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to colorize a photo using Remini. Basically, if you have a photo that is in black and white but you want to put back the original color in that photo, then you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end. So to do that, you need Remini application. So this is how Remini application looks like, and another application called Colorize It. Okay, so this is the application called Colorize It. So you need to install both of these applications from your Google Play Store. Okay, so the first step is to come and open your Remini application. So when you open your Remini application, select the photo which is in black and white. As you can see, this is the photo which is in black and white. So you need to select it first from Remini application. So just come to all photos. Then I select the photo which is in black and white, the one which I want to turn into colored photo, as you can see. So the first step is to come and enhance this photo. Okay, so I selected it multiple times. So I just need to come and enhance it. Okay, so as you can see, it's now going to be enhanced. So let's wait a bit. So you just need to be patient for it to be enhanced. Okay. Alright, so guys, it has finished being enhanced. As you can see, it has now finished being enhanced. So let's save it from here using this button here. So we save it to our gallery. Okay, so boom, it has been saved to our gallery. So now go and open your application called Colorize It. Okay, if you don't have it, please download it from Play Store. Okay, so you open this application called Colorize It, this one there. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. Okay, so you need to come and close it from here. So again, you close it from there. So basically tap on this blue button down here, then select Colorize, the first option here. Okay, this one here. So you select that one. So when you select, it will load up some ads, but you can close them if you don't want them. So basically come and choose the photo that you enhanced from Remini. So this is the first photo over here. So you choose it, then you wait for it to load. So as you can see now, it has been given some color. As you can see, we have now put color in it using this Colorize application. So basically, it's a combination of Remini and Colorize application. So as you can see now, if I scroll the side, it has no color. But if I scroll the side, guys, as you can see, it has color. I mean, the color of this person here, the color of the shirt, the color of the trouser. So that's how to colorize photos using Remini and Colorize it. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. We shall meet in the next video.